Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the only supported path, your iPhone itself. Make sure it runs iOS 16 or later, and that you are signed into iCloud with Keychain on. Once done, unlock the phone and position it on the network you need the security key for. You must be an admin or previously connected. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is set, because the system will require biometric confirmation before revealing any saved Wi-Fi password. Now go straight to Settings, then Wi-Fi, tap the connected network or saved networks and find the password field. When you tap the obscured password, your iPhone will ask for Face ID or Touch ID to confirm it is you. After successful authentication, the password appears as plain text. Copy it to the clipboard or write it down. This is the only direct, Apple-supported way on the device to view the security key for a saved Wi-Fi network. Finish by using the revealed password to connect other devices or update your router settings. If the password does not show, check iCloud Keychain is enabled and that you are signed into the same Apple ID. If issues persist, restart your iPhone, then try again. Signing out and back into iCloud sometimes restores access. As an alternative, use a Mac signed into the same iCloud account. Open System Settings, Passwords, and view the saved Wi-Fi entry after authenticating with your Mac password.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.